Hi, I'm Yahaira with Walker Tape. Today we're going to go over how you can tell if your Walker Tape products have expired. Even though it takes a while, Walker Tape products can lose their effectiveness over time. So making sure that your products are fresh is part of following the Walker way and keeping your clients around long term. Most Walker products can last around 6 months to 1 year when stored properly. One great way of making sure that your products are still good is by labeling when you opened the product. That way, you can keep track of how long it's been and if it's still within the expiration window. Another way to make sure that a product is still good is by testing it to see how tacky and how strong the adhesive still is. As mentioned, these products last a lot longer and work better if they are stored properly. When storing tapes, make sure that they're kept in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. Exposure to humidity, heat, or too much light could reduce the effectiveness of the adhesive. Our liquid products, like liquid adhesives and solvents, are stored in a similar way. Keep them in a dry, cool place away from too much sunlight. It's also good to make sure that the lids are on tight. Exposing the liquids to too much oxygen could cause them to dry up faster. Finally, make sure to rotate through your stock of products. Finish an old product completely before opening a new one. This helps make sure that they get used while they're still good. Check out more Walker Tapes at walkertapeco.com. Thanks for watching.